Hi, this is Art with Raven, and we are going to make a dragon, an easier way to make a dragon, and make animals out of circles. So you can use a cup, or you can use anything else what is rounded. And if you don't have like anything what you can use what is rounded, then you can just make a circle. But I'm gonna use a cup. So there's trace cup, and now we're gonna make a cat. So we are gonna make a triangle shape for the ears. And now we are going to make a curvy shape for the mouth. And then make a like upside down triangle for the nose. And then do tiny circles for the eyes. Now we are going to make a bunny. So you make two lines, and then you make a curve at the top, and then you do that again at the other side of the top of the head. Now you make the same shape you made with the cat, and then make the same shape with the nose. If you want you can make like a circle nose, a triangle nose, lots of shapes. You can color in the eyes if you want, but I'm not going to color in the eyes. And then to make the little teeth, you just make a triangle shape for one, and then keep going, go up, and then you have the teeth. And now we are going to make a dog. And make ears what go down like you are making pigtails on it, like how you make pigtails on a human, like a drawing of a human. You do that like a dog with big ears. And now you do the same shape for the mouth as the cat and the bunny. This time I'm going to make the nose a circle. And always make the eyes circles. And if you want, you can make tiny dots for the eyes. You can do all sorts of stuff with it. Now we will make a fish. So what you are first going to do, you are going to make a circle with a cup. And then you are going to make a shape like this. I don't have that much room, so you can make its back fins bigger if you have enough room. And then make a triangle shape on the top of it. And then on the bottom make another triangle shape. And then right here make a square, triangle, I meant. And then make the eyes. And then if you want, a smile. Now we will make a bubble. There's two ways you can make a bubble, but if you do not know the way I make the bubble, you can do the other way. So you make a circle, and then I put a little mark over here. Or you can make like a diamond shape. And now we will make a dragon. So for the dragon, you will not be needing this cup. Well, a cup or something else. You can you have to make a S. Any way you can make an S, and then you can add like some curls like this. And then when you are done with that part, you can do this. And then make a point at the back. So when you're done making the second line of the S, then you are going to make a circle shape for the head. And if you want to, you can make a circle. And if it's easier for you, you can make a circle eye. You can make any shape of the eye. But I can just do the circle. And then if you want, make a mouth with teeth. And now, what we are going to do, so what you do now you add the tummy, which also in another word you can say the bottom part. You put these lines. It may take a while, like it's taking a bit long for me. It's okay if some of the lines get into this part, because if you want, you can color it in. It's okay because you can use anything, any kind of color and any kind of marker and stuff. And now this part, you can add spikes, you can add wings, you can add spike on the head, and also, when you're done doing all that, you can make it blowing bubbles or fire. This is just the way I make the fire. You can make fire any other way. And then if you want, you can add some more bubbles. And then Now this is how you make the wings. You don't have to do it the way I do it, but you can if you want to. And if you want, make a second wing. It's okay if your second one isn't as good as your first one because you can always try again. And here is the dragon when it's all done. And if you want, add the spikes. And here. This is what it would look like with a spike on its head. Whatever shape of spike you want if you want on its head. And then you color it in. So I'm going to make mine green. And you don't have to copy the color I do, but you can do whatever color you want. But if you want to, you can copy my color. And then I'm going to make the little spikes up here blue. Then I'm going to make the head this greenish teal. And you can make whatever color you want of the rings, but for the wings, I'm going to do a pink, I think. It's pink. So you don't have to copy me, it's just that I like to do a bunch of colors on my dragons. I'm just trying to color in a bit quick because you don't have to color in quick, you can color in slow, but it's okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe more videos.